Look what I've got. It is the official replacement upper rear control arms. Redcat acknowledged right after this vehicle came out that the factory rear upper control arms may have been made with the wrong metal, and they were breaking pretty frequently. And here, following up on their promise, is a brand new set of rear control arms, supposedly new spec. Let's see, different part number, RER 15206. So I'll have to go see if that's actually a different part number or not. Now, many of us in the community have already found workarounds. So I personally have put front control arms on the rear, worked like a champ, no issue. Also, Lunsford makes some titanium turnbuckles that screw right in. Everything's great. Today, what I'm gonna do is take these brand new control arms, put them on the rear, and we're gonna go bash and see, are they really stronger? Is it really fixed? Hit it hard. This is a good time to pause and say that actually when we first ever drove this vehicle doing big backflips, it actually broke the rear upper control arm the first time in 3 jumps, and then the second time in 9 jumps. So we've already eclipsed that number, and we've had a big gnarly crash where it really hit the rear hard. We're still going strong, so this is looking very promising. On it again. Oh, ow, that was a hard hit. All right, I'm pretty sure this thing can take this all day long. Back in the garage, giving them an inspection. They are in great shape. I see no issues with them whatsoever. No bending, no nothing. It literally looks perfect. So this is where we have to give full kudos to Redcat. They saw the issue, they recognized the issue, they fixed the issue. So it really is unfortunate that it had to happen in the first place. It's mid-January 2022. From here on out, I'm assuming that if you're buying one of these brand new, you have these new control arms already installed, you're in good shape. So hey, fully recommend this. Glad that it is fixed. I still have a few other things that I want to do with this truck. I'm going to get to working on those. In the meantime, I'm going to ask you to please come over here, check out some other videos that I've already made. We will see you in the next video. So thank you and goodbye.